Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. They're going to show you a remote starter on BMW 528i 2014. So this is the new BMW keys, and we installed the remote starter using the two-way remote from Viper. So on the two-way remote system, we have the start button on the side in here. I'm going to press on the start button. The vehicle will receive the command, and in a few seconds the car will start. The key takeover on the vehicle is very simple. All you have to do, same as you did before, touch the door, open the door, have a seat in the car, you press the brake, and you can drive away. The remote starters for BMW, Audis, and other vehicles can be found at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.